Here I fish the Blackstone River in Rhode Island. I've been mainly targeting pike, but I've yet to catch one. I caught trout here earlier in the season, but now the water level has become real low.
It's off.
After casting with a rooster tail for a while, I only caught this one fallfish. Here's the dam where I figured larger fish would gather. After getting no bites on larger lures, I decided to downsize to my ultralight gear. I could see a small fish I was interested in catching, but could not hook it at first. There are some interesting species here like rock bass and green sunfish, but as usual, bluegills seem to be most common.
Yeah, it's just a big bluegill.
After switching to the trout magnet, I finally got that fish, which turned out to be a smallmouth bass. I also caught a largemouth, but unfortunately most bites were sunfish.